Speaking negatively about the other parent can have serious negative consequences for your child. You need to acknowledge that your child's mental well-being and psychological development are of the greatest importance, and no matter what the other parent's deficiencies are, speaking negatively about the other parent in the presence of your child will add psychological strain to your child. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of the actual impact and when you will see the manifestation. So be very, very careful about that. Address issues involving the other parent, but not with your child or in the presence of your child. The reason you should document events and interactions when you're going through a custody case or in the process of preparing for a custody case is that if the issue of custody is contested, and even backing up before then in negotiations, you want to be able to accurately recount certain events and sequences. And if you are not carefully documenting when these things happen, what the circumstances were, then it can be very difficult to accurately recount what actually took place. So what you want to do is, as you're preparing for divorce, as you're moving through the process, just keep a log. Chronologically is fine, just with the date, what the circumstances were, what exactly happened, and know that the main point is if it is a contested issue and you need to recount these issues, you can go back to the log and make sure you got the details right. The main problems with missing exchanges and missing parenting time is, number one, you are not parenting in a way that is fostering stability and predictability for your child. So that is the primary concern. When you're moving toward divorce or through a divorce, you want to make things as smooth as possible for your child, and that means minimizing disruption. So when you are showing up late, not showing up for parenting time, canceling, that is hurting your child. The other reason you want to stick to it is because not being reliable and failing to showing up late is going to be an indicator to the judge that you are not responsible, and that may also impact your parenting time. The most important aspect to co-parenting is your communication with the other parent. So what you want to do is, if there are still significant issues that are acting as barriers to communication, and that may be that the split was difficult, it was high conflict at the time that you split up, you want to make sure you address that with the other parent. Even if possible and necessary, get some counseling. You want to get to the root of these issues and put yourself in a position where you can effectively communicate with the other parent. If you cannot communicate well with the other parent, that will impact legal custody because it will indicate to the judge that you are not able to, with the other parent, make joint decisions, and it will negatively impact the child generally because you won't be on the same page, and that tends to cause chaos. If you have any questions about custody, what you can do to position yourself best on custody, what to avoid if you are moving toward divorce or a split, and there's a custody issue, feel free to contact us at Farias Family Law.